SoundHound AI is collaborating with Tencent Intelligent Mobility to bring its voice and conversational AI capabilities to Tencent's cloud-based solutions for the automotive industry. This collaboration will enable Tencent Intelligent Mobility to provide localized user experiences, allowing hands-free access to various in-vehicle applications across different geographies. SoundHound Chat AI Automotive, the most advanced in-vehicle voice assistant, will be integrated to offer users access to apps, car controls, audio-visual streaming services, and generative AI responses through natural speech. SoundHound's conversational voice intelligence can handle complex questions and filter responses to ensure users get relevant answers. Their proprietary arbitration technology also helps eliminate the risk of AI hallucinations and LLM-generated misinformation. This partnership demonstrates both companies' commitment to providing localized, high-quality voice AI solutions for global markets in over 25 languages. SoundHound also participated in the 2025 Time Day event on April 22nd, with VP of Asia-Pacific Business Development, Automotive, Tom Park joining a panel discussion about driving global growth through local ecosystems. Additionally, Park will deliver a keynote speech on April 23rd titled Voice AI Empowering Intelligent Mobility: How Voice AI Can Enhance Mobility Services and the User Experience, at the forum co-hosted by CCP Shanghai and Tencent Cloud, focusing on opportunities and challenges in the automotive industry within the AI era. For more on SoundHound and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.